Y'all don't kill me. I forgot to record an intro. Okay, so I went ahead and put some Smashbox primer on. I normally use Lancome foundation, but we in Vegas, it's hot and I go through it too fast. So now I use like for my everyday look is Maybelline matte poreless foundation in the color 368, which I mean, it works a lot better for everyday use. I use Lancome like, you know, when I'm going out and I'm really like trying to look good, you feel me? So anyway, taking a fluffy foundation brush and then just putting it all over like so. Oh my god, I got glitter all over my face. Wow. Glitter is like everywhere. Well, great. Okay, so now the most important part is actually taking a fluffy foundation brush and some foundation powder to set your liquid foundation all over your face, which I make sure I do this every day because in Vegas it's hot. So I don't need this to be melting off my face as soon as I walk outside, okay? So yeah. So it's gonna have like a, you know, matte finish, which is good for me because I don't like that shiny look, especially in summer. Like, I don't want to look glossy all the time because in all actuality, it's most likely sweat. Okay, we set, girl. Okay, and the concealer I still use Anastasia Beverly Hills. Taking this brown shade, like medium brown shade. First, I use two different concealers now. Don't judge. Okay, I normally put a decent amount on, like so. And for whatever reason, like I used to use a beauty blender for a long time now, and I actually used a brush the other day by accident, and it was like it blended so much better than the beauty blender. Like I had to use less product because I realized the beauty blender takes up, like it sucks up a lot of the product actually in the sponge. So a brush is better for me and it actually blends faster. So I'm taking a brush this time as opposed to using the dang sponge. I don't know why I was sleeping on a brush. It like so. I'm taking Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the color, I don't know, Cafe. And this is a dupe for NARS. I use NARS, and I think the same color is called Cafe, and that's, anyway, this is my everyday concealer. I use NARS, you know, when I'm like going out. Anyway, just putting that on top. Put some on the nose too, girl. And just press it in your face, okay? I don't know where all this glitter is coming from. Like, I know it's from my background, but like, I'm not even like touching it. Like, what the freak? Anyway, make sure that concealer is blended in really good. And I now have a secret weapon. In Vegas, it's hot. So literally, usually when I walk outside after I do my makeup or whatever, like I start to crease, you know, like almost instantly when I go outside. So I started using Urban Decay's Velvetizer. You can use it as a you know, like a setting powder, or you can mix it with your foundation for extra coverage or whatever. But I literally just use a little bit underneath my eye, like just basically underneath my eye, so I won't crease throughout the day. And then you'll see. I'm just applying the tiniest bit underneath there to keep my my under eye from creasing and looking all ugly. You know, get it in really good in the in the cracks. Like that. And then it does good as far as like the coverage and everything. The only thing that I recommend is if you're going to use the powder like as a, you know, a setting powder, only for the coverage, you gotta use your normal powder on top of it because it does have flashback. And I found that out the other night taking pictures. So anyway, follow up with Sasha Buttercup setting powder, or you know, the normal powder that you would. We're just taking a brush. I usually use a wet sponge, but that's not the move this summer. So then you just go over top of it and then you know, set all the rest of the concealer that you put on your face, like so. Get your nose, girl. You can put some of this on your forehead. I don't put concealer on my forehead because it's big. So I really don't need no highlight on my forehead. I need some contour on my forehead, okay? So I just put the powder there to kind of give it that set look, but we don't need no concealer there. I don't need no all right, so now we good, and okay, concealer is set. Okay,
my favorite time, brow time.
e.l.f. gel liner with an angled brush right quick. So I did my other brow off camera because that boy be overheating like every couple minutes, it seems like. So anyway, now we're just taking LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee to carve these brows out, like so. So you just blend all the concealer down like to the top of your lid. So I'm taking a, I think this is a Real Techniques brush, and then just blending, like pressing the concealer in, you know, to blend out the harsh edges. Just blend it out like so. I'll go ahead and do the other side real quick. So then we're gonna take, this is an individual eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just didn't take it out the plastic, but it's in the color Sienna, and it's kind of like a burnt orange shade. It's all over our lids. It doesn't have to be nice and neat or anything like that. And then just, you know, swirl it right quick. And then press it on and then just blend out the edges. Oh, my phone's ringing. Okay, how we looking? Next thing we're gonna use is NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner. And we're gonna do a baby wing today. It's gonna be super thin and a little baby wing. Super thin, 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 thin. You see how thin it is in the front? Like, little baby wings. Just a eyeliner matte black pen from the brand is Ulta, and we're just gonna line the bottom line. So with this look, I'm gonna use Dodo lashes. Okay, lashes on. So now I'm taking the same exact color and I'm just putting some of that on my cheeks with an angled blush brush. Okay, now for my lips, just taking a dark brown pencil from NYX. Y'all, I am tripping. I almost forgot highlighter. What am I doing? Okay, set your face. Spray it really good. Poshmetics highlighter. You know how I get down. Lingerie lip gloss in the color Spirit. We're gonna use that on the lips. Okay, so we're done. This is the look. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna put some pictures on the end. Straighten my hair, find something to wear. It's 4th of July, so I'm gonna be at somebody's barbecue, okay, getting something to eat. So thank you so much for watching. I love you.